we're going to talk about what to do if you find foam in your spa. No one wants to come home to find foam in their spa. Is foam in my spa water bad?
Finding foam in your spa pool is a result of the water beginning to thicken due to build-up of a high amount of organic material and oils.
Sounds scary? Don't worry. Spa pool foam is super common and it's easy to fix. This is a common problem. It means you either need to change your water or check your pH, alkalinity and calcium levels. Where do I start? Before you drain and refill your spa, it's important to do a quick few tests to find out why your spa pool might be foaming. How long has it been since you changed your spa water? How often is your spa used? And is your water balanced or not? Start by testing the pH, alkalinity and calcium levels of the water using test strips. If the water is well balanced and there is still foam, check your filters and give them a good clean. How do I prevent foam in my spa? Prevention is always key. Luckily there's many easy to follow prevention tips to keep the foam from forming on top of your spa.
Shower before entering your spa pool. This removes moisturisers, oils and sunscreen. Wash swimsuits in fresh water, not detergents or soap. Avoid letting your hair dangle in the spa as hair holds more product. Test your water frequently to keep it balanced. Keep your spa filters clean. The spa water should be changed every 3 to 6 months for portable spas or as needed. And swim spas every 12 to 18 months or as needed based on the number of spa users and hygiene.
If you're changing your spa water, make sure you run a pipe degreaser through the pipes before you empty your spa. Clean your filters and refresh the water. If you just can't wait to use your spa, there's a great product called anti-foam. You pop a little bit in your spa and it works almost instantly and lasts up to 24 hours. Just remember, this is a quick fix and won't prevent it from happening again. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you determine why you had foam in your spa and gives you the steps to take in order to stop it happening again. If you want to learn more about keeping your spa clean, you can check out our articles and videos on our website.